today I'm going to open my big set of fingerlings. Let's open it. First I need scissors because I guess it's tape somewhere. Oh yeah, there's tape. So let me just try to do this. So now I'm going to open it. I guess it's just like this. So first let's take out my fingerling. Let's just open this, like that. And now let's open. Okay, so my brother was right. There were two fingerlings in one. My brother was right because there are two fingerlings. Look. There's a purple one and the blue one. So, I guess if you tricked me, you were wrong. So now let's open it. Oh my god, it's so hard.
It's from behind.
It's from behind?
Give.
So let's open it. Okay. I guess we have to build it. Build it. We have to build it. Okay, so we have to build it. I'm not sure how to build this, but let's try building it. Because you always have to try if you don't know how to do it.
You have to cut the tape for this one from behind.
So yeah, we have this. Okay, so the other one. Okay, so we have the two sticks. So here it is. So I'm going to take out the mat because I guess I have to use it. So let's open it. See. Grab a mat. Like that. Look. Now let's build it. No, first we're going to take out this fingerling.
From behind.
Oh, no. It's from behind.
Cut the tape up.
From behind, so cut that up.
Give. No, it's wrong.
I guess build the board. I'm going to do this. So let me do this. Let me open it. So let's open these. First, let me do this. Let me open it. Are you done?
Yeah.
Now we're going to cut this stick off because this is not really getting off. So I have to use these scissors. It has a place to open it, but that place is not opening. So we're going to cut it. And you know where I got this from? Toys R Us from Saudi. Look, it's so pretty, pink color. So let's open it up. Look, this place, it doesn't open. Look, it doesn't open. So, you'll see.
Here.
Thank you. Oops.
Oopsie.
Can you get it?
Aisha.
So, let me first cut this then.
like this.
How?
You have to twist it.
Oh. Like the twisted pets. Let me focus on the other one. Oh yeah. We have to take this tape out first. Tape out first. That was too noisy. Girls and boys, we are not going to do after this fingerling the Hatchimals because when my brother comes, then we're going to do it. Because there's a boy and a girl. So that why my brother's going to do one and I'm going to do it. Okay, so I got it out. Oh, my uncle did. Haha. And now I twist it. You will see those boys like it. So I'm going to do this. Look at that hair. It's so smooth. Let's turn it on, girls and boys. Oh, it says hello. It's so good. Look, it sleeps when you do like that. Look, look. Hello. Hello. Fingerlings. You won't understand his language because it's a monkey. Oh, he's so cute. It's not too bad. Cute. Here we have the boy one. Let's turn it off. So my uncle will build us all because I'm confused in this all. Let's do the last one. Oh, enough. Oh! I'm gonna take this down. Here's a mess down. So, yeah, let's on the boy one. Let's on both of them. You! The boy one farted.
It says over here, clap once or twice.
Okay. Once. I'll clap once.
It says, blow air kisses to your monkey. Blow air kisses. He's supposed to give a kiss back.
Talked.
Pet the hair of the monkey. Tap the head of the monkey.
Okay.
Put him down if you want him to sleep. Put him down on the table. Put him down on the table like the blue one. No, lay him down. He will sleep off. If you put him upside down, it's his fun side.
in here. And you see this, you twist it. Oh, wait. Oh my God. Okay. Look, you twist this. Okay? Like that. And now, if you want to put it in the swing, you just do like this. Do like this. Like, wait a second. Okay, see it. See, I put the girl one on. I put the girl one on. Now I'll put the boy. See, now we have it. You can swing them down or swing them up. So if you move this, that will, oh, wait. See the boys? You can do like that, so they swing. And if, you can even on them. I'll show you. Let's first on the board. See, you do this. Uh-oh, this one. See? They're happy. They're talking to each other. Like that. Those are nice. If you think this one is a girl because it's saying a girl's voice and this one is saying a boy's voice. I think they're switched up. Like this is a girl and that's a boy. Because most of the girls like blue color. I think that's a boy. Bye guys.